darn woodpecker pecking my house and my fence. I have no idea how to get rid of it, but I do know that it's damaging my house and fence. I guess it's pecking for ants? No idea. Guess I'll spray the area again. See if that helps. I don't know. I covered it in hot sauce, thinking that might do the trick. But apparently this woodpecker enjoys hot sauce. Alright, so it's been a while and I have not seen the woodpecker return. So I'm going to clean up the mess and see if I can't patch the hole. I'm thinking that perhaps they didn't like the hot sauce, so maybe it won't be back. Hopefully that did it. We'll find out. I don't know. I'm going to go to Home Depot and get some epoxy filler and hopefully make it look better. Won't look perfect, but that's okay. It's an old fence. The idea is if this works, I'll also fix the house where they've damaged it. So I don't really have a road bike, but I do have this mountain bike that actually was my best friend's bike, and I'm going to fill up the tires and take a short trip on the road with it. It doesn't really ride very well on the streets, and it's a little small for me, but again, I don't have a road bike, so my alternatives are ride this, walk, or drive a car, and I'd really rather not do the other two. So, let's do it. Oh, it only weighs 15 pounds.
mind if I put my bike right there? I don't have anything to chain it up with. Structural adhesive epoxy.
Right here on the left-hand side, third base, on 47.
47, okay, thank you. That's probably what I need right there. Alright, I don't know if I'll have time to actually apply the epoxy today. Let's go home. Hopefully I'll get this put on before it gets dark. I don't... Look at that. Hibiscus. We're going to see if this stuff works. Should do the trick. Okay. Oh, interesting. Okay. Well, it almost took all of it. So, if it works, I'll have to buy another one. Tomorrow I'll sand it, and we'll see what it looks like.